Good morning, ma'am. My roll number is 25 and I'm supposed to make a project on myths and misconceptions about coronavirus. So, first, what is a coronavirus? Coronavirus are a large group of viruses that are common among animals. In rare cases, they are what scientists call zoonotic, which means that they can be transmitted from animals to human. But if a human is affected with coronavirus, what can happen? This virus can cause respiratory infection in that human and can also lead to the death of that person. The most common symptoms of this virus is fever, tiredness, and dry cough. And in the next page, there is a graph which shows that an increase in the spread of coronavirus according to the increase in the months. Okay, which states that that the coronavirus is increasing day by day. And then afterwards, the main topic comes myths versus fact about COVID 19. COVID 19. COVID 19 is a short form of coronavirus. Co means corona, VI means virus, D means disease, and 19 is the year in which this virus came. Okay, first myth is that regularly gargling with the saline water prevents infection with the new coronavirus. No, it's not necessary that if you are gargling with a saline water, you can be prevented from this infection. This practice will only help us to soothe a sore throat, but it will not prevent a virus from entering our lungs. Okay, the new virus cannot be transmitted in areas with not and hot and humid climate. No, it's not necessary that it can only be transmitted in the areas having a hot and humid climate. It can be transmitted in all areas, including hot and humid weather. Taking a hot bath can prevent a new coronavirus, but the fact behind this myth is says that taking a hot bath will not prevent you from catching COVID 19. Your normal body temperature remains around 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius. This practice will only harm you. Will only harm you as it can burn you. The best way to protect yourself against COVID 19 is by frequently cleaning your hands, by wearing a mask, and by following a rule of social distancing. Okay. The next and the last myth of the coronavirus says that coronavirus affects only older people. No, it's not necessary that older people can only be affected with this virus. But older people and people with pre-existing medical condition appear to be more vulnerable to becoming ill. But they are but it is not necessary that only older people will be affected. They are more vulnerable to becoming ill with virus. WHO advises all people to take steps to protect themselves from this virus. And that's all. And I end with my project. Thank you, ma'am.